A pharmacist has a 45% saline solution and a 20% saline solution. How much of 45% saline solution must be mixed to make 20 liters of a 30% saline solution? Okay, this is a concentration problem. For concentration problems, always create a table like this. We have a 45% and 20%, and they're mixed up to make a 30%. And have an amount of solutions here, solutions, and have amount of salt in the solution, so amount of salt. The question is how much of a 45% saline solution? So let this be X, and we are making 20% of a 30% saline solution, right? So 20 liters here. Then amount of 20% saline solutions must be 20 minus X. Now amount of salt. Here we have X liters, and 45% are salt, right? So amount of salt is 45 over 100, that's 45% of X. For 20% saline solution, amount of salt is 20 over 100 times amount of solution, 20 minus X. And if we add these two expressions, that must be equal to 30% of this solution, right? That's amount of salt. So 30% of 20 liters. Now we have to solve this equation, so multiply by 100 to eliminate 100 in our denominator. Then that's going to be 45x plus 20 times 20 minus x is equal to 30 times 20. So 45x plus 400 minus 20x is equal to 600. 45 minus 20, that's 25x. That is equal to 200. So x is 200 divided by 25, that's 8. So 8 liters of 45% solutions.